When you start at zero, you are in a high-gravity environment. Every dollar you earn is the result of your manual labor. If you have $10,000 in a high-yield savings account at 5%, you earn $500 a year. That $500 doesn't pay your rent. It doesn't buy your time back. It is just there. At this stage, your investment returns are irrelevant. What matters is your savings rate. You aren't building wealth yet. You are just building the engine. Something happens at $100,000. That same 5% return is now $5,000 a year. For most, that is a month or two of total living expenses completely covered by the engine. This is the first time in your life that your money is a full-time employee. At 7 to 10% market returns, you are looking at $7,000 to $10,000 in passive growth. The effort required to get from 0 to 100,000 is 10 times harder than the effort to get from 100,000 to 200,000. The valley of death is between $40,000 and $70,000. This is where you have worked for years, sacrificed everything, but the compounding is still too small to see. You feel like you are running on a treadmill. This is where the quitters live. They see the slow progress and assume the system is broken. It is not broken. It is just charging its batteries. Wealth is backloaded. You do 80% of the work in the first 20% of the timeline. If you are under 100,000, stop looking for the perfect stock. Focus on the math of your lifestyle. Build the engine. Reach escape velocity. This has been a Penny-Scope blueprint. Subscribe to Decode the Math of Wealth. Penny-Scope is an educational channel. We are not financial advisors. All content is for informational purposes only. Consult a professional before making financial decisions.